हाम्रो प्रदीप भाइको नेपालमा चलिरहेको क्लब पनि छ बसन्ती मेमोरियल भन्ने है. He is doing really well there. फाइनल जित्न बाँकी छ. अब यो एक्जाम्पल लिएर उसले जित्छ अब पनि सब पक्कै नै. कोलाबोरेसन टिम हो नि त हाम्रो. Alright, can somebody call Raji? Raji and his team over. Raji, it's not time to break your fast yet. Still sunny. Raji. Hadi FC. Hadi FC. Hadi FC. It was a very hot day. You could have done something better than coming to watch a game. But all those of you who have come down here, thank you once again. This shows me that you love football from the bottom of your hearts, and it's better to watch a scrappy game than to do something else, right? So thank you once again to all the supporters who have turned up today. Next up, I want to say a very big thank you to all our sponsors. All right, any tournament that we do, when we try to do it next year, we try to make it bigger and better, and in order to do that, we need the financial backing of our generous sponsors to execute it. So I can have all the grand plans on how I want to have this tournament play out, but it's not possible without having an equally supportive sponsor on board. So Expert Education and Visa Services Perth, I would like to thank Mr. Dipendra Ji and his entire Expert Education team who played a big role in sponsoring us as the title sponsor. And in saying that, we also had none other than our Rajendra Dai. Look at his age, he still plays actively till today, and his company is called Powergi Engineering. Best player! This year they did a generous sponsorship. We expect even bigger next year. Hopefully he was like we won his heart, and he's gonna come back even bigger and better, like I promised.
Title sponsor.
And we also had another sponsor on board this year. I didn't even have to look for this sponsor, okay? So like I said, when you have passionate sponsors that want to come on board to see you succeed, to see you pull off an excellent tournament, they automatically come on board knowing what you're doing is the right thing. So once again, Passion Electrical and Solar. Anybody who wants to have any solar systems, install anything electrical, I would like to thank our Surendra there for coming on board without having asking him, okay? So when we increased the individual prize awards, it was because he was willingly coming on board, and we said, instead of just taking, why don't we give it back? So we decided to increase the prize money for the individual awards. So thank you, Surendra. Okay. Next up, I don't know if anybody's here from Chulo Nepalese Restaurant. They were our F&B partners this year. Once again, it's very critical for us to have many sponsors on board, and F&B is one of the critical sponsors because every year we have players complaining about the food. I know Hadi FC, I'm not going to ask you how the food tasted this year. We'll ask you next year. You guys are fasting, that's why. All right. So
क्रिकेट फुटबल क्लबका साथ भाइहरू लगायत अरू क्लबका भाइहरू तपाईहरु यसरी नै खेल्दै जानुस् यो लिगलाई यो फुटबललाई अझ नेक्स्ट लेभलमा लानुस् भन्ने शुभकामना दिँदै बिदा हुन्छु धन्यवाद
Thank you, Dipendra. Next, I would like to invite on stage our Rajendra Dai as a sponsor. If you want more than 5 minutes, the sponsorship has to go bigger than this year, okay? So we can't give you more than 5 minutes. So I would like to invite Rajendra Dai to give us a few encouraging words.
कम भनेर चाहिँ स्पोन्सरशिप गर्दैन नि फेरि
अहिले म त यहाँ अब बोल्न भनेर त आएको हैन खासमा
अफसाइड कुरा
ओके सर्वप्रथम त म जित्ने टिमलाई कङ्ग्रेचुलेसन र सेकेन्ड हुने टिमलाई पनि इभन बिगर कङ्ग्रेचुलेसन किनभने अर्को वर्ष त्योभन्दा पनि राम्रो गर्नुपर्छ भन्न चाहन्छु र थर्ड टिम अल्सो आई वुड लाइक टु कङ्ग्रेचुलेट बिङ थर्ड एन्ड यु सुड ट्राई नेक्स्ट टाइम इभन बेटर देन द्याट अरू चाहिँ अब मैले भन्नुपर्ने केही छैन मेरो सहयोग रहने नै छ हैन अब कमल भाइले भनेपछि मैले गर्नै पर्यो हैन र पनि आफू फुटबलमा लागेकोले मलाई गर्न इच्छा छ हैन त्यति नै भन्न चाहन्छु
Which means I've met him for the first time today. But still he came on board as a sponsor, okay? A big hand to him.
धन्यवाद सबैलाई सबैलाई सहयोग गर्दैछु र सबैलाई धन्यवाद र बढाइ छ जितेका टिमहरूलाई र यस्तो गेमहरू भइरहोस् भन्ने चाहन्छु र नेक्स्ट टाइम पनि सहयोगको लागि म रेडी
Thank you, Chandra. Right, that confirms 3 out of 3 sponsors for next year already. All right, we're gonna try to make it even bigger and better. I don't think anybody here is from Chulo Nepalese restaurant, so I just want to say a very big thank you for invite everyone from our advisory board to come up in front here so that we can give them a big round of applause. Okay, Subhas Dai, Ek Mama, Anuj Mama, Anuj Mama, Dan Mama, Anuj Mama. Please come forward because my team, Gorkha Boys Football Club, would not have been able to achieve anything of this level. Okay? The entire advisory board is not here. Think about it. And he went into the pitch, he scored that goal, and he did a somersault. All right. So without further ado, I want to invite Dilip from Gorkha Boys Football Club Green Team for the Top Scorers Award. And for this award, I want to invite one of our advisory team members to come and please present this award. All right. Top Scorer Award. All right. Top Scorer of the Expert Gorkha Cup 2025, Dilip Thapa. Next up, we have the best goalkeeper of the tournament award. Okay. This is going to be very, very controversial because not only was he one of the key players that took his team to the grand final. Okay. Unfortunately, when you look at the goalkeepers, normally we give it to the least conceded one, which was Roman. But unfortunately, based on the referee's decisions over the course of the tournament, man of the match was only won on 2 occasions. Man of the match as a goalkeeper was only won twice, and it was our Gorkha Boys Yellow Team's goalkeeper Pradeep Kesni. And for that, I would like to invite one of the advisory board members again to please come and give this award. If Anuj can win man of the match, Pradeep deserves this goalkeeper of the tournament award. Okay? Next up, we have another individual award, which is man of the match for grand final. All right. I don't think anybody knows about this one. Before I call out the winner, I would like to invite one of the advisory board members to come out in front again, please. The faster we have somebody presenting it, the faster we are going to go home. All right. Once again, man of the match for the grand final chosen by the referee is a defender. He's a defender, okay? He's from the green team. He's not very young. He's not a young chicken, but he's a defender. He's none other than BJ Bohra. Alright, congratulations BJ bhai. Alright, remember, up to this stage, the individual awards are coming with a $50 cash along with their awards, okay? Now, we go on to the player of the tournament. This award carries not a $50 cash award with it. It actually carries a $100 award, as we said. All right, and for this, I would like to invite one of our advisory board members once again to come and present this award. Okay. Once again, I want to emphasize one thing. Okay. The main player of the tournament award is picked by the referees. Nothing to do with us. If it was me, I would give it all to Hadi FC. Next year, when we see you in the finals, I promise you, okay? But this year, the referees chose it. Out of the entire tournament, there was only one player who was voted man of the match 3 times. We kept it a secret because we didn't want to make it boring. This player was voted man of the match 3 times in the tournament, only player to do it. There was a couple of players that won it twice. There was only one player who won man of the match of the tournament 3 times. It comes as no surprise that this person has already come forward to claim one of the individual awards. Any guesses? Alright, it's Bijay Bohra from Gorkha Boys. He was voted man of the match 3 times by the referees, the only player to do so in the entire tournament. So, Bijay, once again, congratulations. Thank you. Alright, so now, once again, I want to let this stage go to one of the sponsors and for medals to the boys. Alright, let's start with Pradeep Kesi! Suman bhai, next time you want me to say your name loudly, you have to be in yellow team. Nirajan Manjare! I think it's too long to call everybody's name, so I'll call it in short form now. Nirajan bhai. Line up. Alright. Come on. Next, Ayush. Next, Sudeep. Sachin. Nitesh. Deep. Sanjeev. Navraj. Last but not least, Sandeep. Alright, well done to them. I don't want to give myself a medal, so Subhasda, you can have that medal as part of the manager. Sudeep manager. Alright, can we have our Gorkha Boys yellow team with the check? With the check, please. Come in front. Navraj bhai is going to buy us a carton of beer. No polo t-shirt. Alright, congratulations to Gorkha Boys yellow team. Next, I would like to invite our Dipinderji from Expert Education and Visa Services to give away the Grand Final champions. Adarsa! BJ 3. We know him as BJ 3. Sagar. Mixon. Dilip. Sabin.
गए सबिन सबिन घर आएन ए त्यहाँ जाऊ न के लाइनमा जाऊ
Suman.
उठे सुमन गोलामा आयो बल्ल
Bhagwat.
खेल्दैन अहिले के हो खेल्दैन अहिले
Santos. BJ Senior. This player did not come, but we had him in the team. Bhupen. Let's give a round of applause to Bhupen. Wait. There is a medal for a manager. For manager. Who is the manager for the yellow team? Yes, green team. Who was guiding you guys through this whole tournament? Lala, we'll give it to Subis. Subis. Come on forward. He's been at the ground from start to end, tirelessly working. That was definitely the motivation behind the green team. All right, now we want to present the check to the winning team along with the trophy. Can we have all the advisory team here to present this trophy and the check to the winning team, please? Alright, green team, please come in front. Once again, expert Gorkha Cup 2025 winners, Gorkha Boys Football Club, green team!
Lucky. यहाँ त ग्रिन टीमा छिरेको सेकेन्ड भएको समयमा के
Three cheers for Gorkha Boys!
अब क्याम्पिङ मोड सबै ट्रफी यो वाला फेरि आउला नआउनु पुर्खाको फ्ल्याग खै ए क्याम्पिङ आउने मात्रै पुर्खाको फ्ल्याग सबैजनालाई बधाई छ
Once again, I would like to thank all the 16 teams that participated in this year's Expert Gorkha Cup 2025. A very big thank you to all of you for making this tournament very, very successful. What I want to say is that it doesn't look interesting when two Gorkha boys football teams were in the final, but it is based on their talent and caliber that they went to the final. We also want to thank and congratulate Hadi FC for coming in second runners-up in this year's tournament. And next year it's going to be even bigger and better, and we'll have even more interesting teams coming to join us. So we look forward to inviting you again next year for Gorkha Cup.